morning class. This is our maths class, and today we are going to start our third chapter, that is fraction. So before starting, we have to clarify what is fraction. The main objective of fraction is that the basic definition of fraction is that fraction means a part of a whole or one. Means if you see this is a circle, or we can say that it is a chapati. If we divide this chapati into two parts, so one part is eaten by me and one by my brother. So what part is eaten by me? One part out of two. Total is in denominator and one is in numerator. One more thing we have to clarify in this, that in this term fraction is written in this term, like in the form of a upon b, where b is not 0, b 0 नहीं हो सकता, like 1 upon 2. 1 is numerator and the 2 is denominator. Now come on this again, like I eaten one part out of 2, then this is half pizza, a half thing eaten by me. So fraction means a part of a whole or one. A part of whole or one. A part means that part of whole when an object or a group or things is divided into equal parts. I have divided the chapati into two equal parts. This is called the fraction of the whole, and this is the whole thing about the fraction. Now take an example, very good example of pizza. Everyone eats the pizza. Like a pizza mostly have 4 pieces. If we are going in a restaurant and we ordered a pizza, mostly restaurants serve pizza in 4 equal parts. Like 2 of your family members go to the restaurant. Like 2 family members go to the restaurant. So 2 of you ordered a pizza and each one get 2 parts. Each one you get 2 parts and the total parts in denominator. Like everyone get 2 out of 4. Then this is divided, 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4. So 1 upon 2 is the fraction of the pizza consumed by one person. The favorable thing that you ate upon the total thing. So this is about the fourth part. Students, take the example of the figures. Like we have divided this circle into 2 parts. This is called 1 upon 2, or we can say that in English half. So where 1 upon 2 is written, we read it half, means adha. Next, the circle. We have divided the circle into 3 equal, 1 part, 2 part, 3 part, 3 equal parts. Then 1 upon 3 is the part that one person get. The shaded part is 1 upon the total. This is called 1/3. Now the circle is divided into 4 parts. Then this is called 1 upon 4. Like 1/4. Or we can say that it's a quarter. It is a quarter also. Like the shaded part. If we take that part aside, then 1 upon 4. 1/4 or quarter. This part, if we get this part, total pieces are there, and if we get this part, the 1/3. This is called 1/3, and this is called 1 upon 2 or half. Same thing with the other objects, other figures. We have divided the square into 2 parts. Then one part is called the 1 upon 2 or half. After that, if we divide triangle into 3 parts, so the first part, if we get the one part, then the part is called the 1 upon 3, the 1/3 part. Now our triangle is divided into 1, 2, 3 and 4 part. If we getting only one part, then this is called 1 upon 4 or 1/4 or quarter. Okay, this is, so that's all from this basic thing. Now we are going to start our exercise. So the student, the first question is color 1/2. We have to divide the part into half and then we have to color it. So the first part is color the 1/2. Means we have to divide the circle into half. So the half is this. They divided the circle into 4 parts, but we have to divide the 1/2. So what we have to do? The color the 1/2. The 1/2 is this or this or this, or we can say this. All the things, all the 4 parts are correct. We can do of any of the 4 ways. So what we are going to do? The color these parts. I am just lining it. You have to color it. I just draw the line, but you have to color it. Now the B part. Now the B part. Like what we have to do? We have to color it in half. We have to color it the half part. So what is half part? This is our half part. I have just draw the lines, but you have to color it. Color it in whatever color you want. Third question is, we are already divided into 2 parts. This line divides it into 2 parts. So what we have to do? We have to color it the 1/2 part. This is 1/2 part. So this is our correct thing. We have just draw the figures. Now after that we color the figures. That's all from question number 1, students. All clear? Now our second question is, we have to divide the following figures into 1/2. into two equal parts. So there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 20. Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So there are 20 stars. According to book, we have to divide in one half. So what we have to do? We draw a dotted line to separate it. We divided 1 and 2. Half part there, half part here. Two equal parts in two equal parts. The 5, 5, 10 star and the above arrow, above line, above row, and 5 plus 5, 10 in the below. This is bananas. My drawing is not good enough. So take it as banana and we have to divide it into two parts. So what we have to do is draw a dotted line between them. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 bananas above row and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in the below one. Now this is pizza, friend. This is pizza. Like I said, my drawing is not good. So this is pizza. We have to divide it into two parts, two equal parts. So what we can do? We can draw either this line or we can draw this. In both the lines, we are dividing the pizza equally. Two pieces in this line, two pieces in this. Now we have to divide the bucket into two equal parts. We can do either drawing this line or we can draw the line like this. So both the things, both the manner, the question is correct.